I coming. I coming. I coming. Musics. Please don't stop the music. Let's go. Let's go. Why does my before it pumped? I got this new mouse and I'm not quite efficient with it. Um, okay, I think I'm getting better with it, but it just seems funny. Like I feel like I'm gonna struggle with it. Like I'm gonna struggle. So I'm just not gonna use it for now. I'm just gonna turn it off because the other one dies too quickly. And then so I'm just gonna not use it for now. Blame the mouse. Who else am I supposed to blame? Who am I supposed to blame if I don't blame the mouse? Unbelievable. Yeah, I'm just not gonna use it for now. Yes, now we're back to the old mouse. The old mouse. Yeah, exactly, Doje. Exactly. Like, look at this. I can go crazy with this old mouse. I can do things with it. Nvidia has been cooking today. My goodness. 113 for Nvidia. Sheesh. Sheesh. Funsies. Good morning, everybody. And the S&P isn't too bad either. I need to mute that Discord. I just need to mute everything on it. That's it. Just mute it all. Just mute it all. APLM looks like it's still stuck in that range. CXAI looks okay. AKTS, and then VEV. They're both just kind of stalling for now. So, and then Acon had some news. Good numbers this morning for the S&P, but yeah, let's see. Let's see. Good morning, Jeff. Weren't you already there? I mean with the mouse. I mean with the mouse, Troy. With the mouse. You got out way too early yesterday? I know. It was fun, wasn't it? WZ. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yup. Crazy. Like get ready. Let me get ready here with this other stuff. La 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 la. Chipotle. Yeah, that's impressive though. There goes AKTX with a bit of a pop. With a bit of a pop. Let's see. There we go. Good morning, Lizzie. Good morning, everybody. If I missed you, good morning. Happy, 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 happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Good morning. Lynn, good morning. What's DJT doing this morning with did anybody watch the Elon Trump interview last night? DJT. Anybody? Yeah, it really didn't help, did it? Let's see here. Maybe it didn't like early. Yeah, it did early. Yeah, it popped immediately like early pre-market late last night, but yeah, then it just kind of sold off. So yeah, nothing seems to be helping those guys. Nothing. Chef, good morning. You watched it? Was it good? Trey, good morning. He's totally unprepared. Yeah, no, I'm ready, Pablo. I'm ready. I'm ready. My team has been locked since Sunday, I think. Since Sunday. I haven't made any changes. I'm sure I'm going to make some changes, but yeah. Yeah, it's looking like I'm a bit surprised that it's slow this morning, actually. I'm a bit surprised. I was expecting like violence, you know. Mm, hmm. What I need to do? Hmm, to do. The same roasting hub at and yeah, usually is. This one's doing okay though. AKTS. These guys had news early this morning, and the stock seems to be kind of cooking into the open, but it's also sitting at resistance up there. So not sure how well that's gonna. Yeah, it needs to break and hold about 13 cents. CXAI just looks like a double top for now. APLM really isn't breaking out, so there's nothing to see. It does have a bit of support though. The closer we get to 31. Obviously, again, NVIDIA, we talked about that. Thing's done really well. The S&P is done okay this morning. And yeah, let's see what else shows up, you know. AO, Grim, AO. It is slow, isn't it? It is slow. So here's the list of pre-market gainers, guys. Um, there's nothing in this list that we haven't talked about already, and there's nothing that's going crazy right now. So GNLN is below $10. I'm sure that thing will eventually run at some point. It might be something to keep an eye on for sure, though, just because, you know. Why does it seem like it's like, anyways? So I'll keep an eye on GNLN though. I don't know, for some reason. But we talked about this last night in Discord, right, guys? Ayo, good morning, Chris, Sunny, Ayo, Kimbella, Ayo. These guys had $157,000 in cash. Uh, it was only a matter of time. It was funny the way that it happened, um, but into the close, especially overnight, it was coming. It had to happen. So they took advantage and they raised money. You know, it is what it is. Again, they have no monies, they have to make monies. So if they can't make money by selling whatever they're selling, they have to make money by doing an offering. So surprise, not. Uh, took my money. I made. It took your monies. Yeah. I mean, it's still kind of holding support for now. You know, there's a bit of a double pivot there at 31 cents. It is the top gainer going into the open, so I don't know how that's going to behave, but we shall see. T Song, good morning. Yeah, yeah. So hopefully it can bounce him. Hopefully, kind of giving us lower highs though, which I don't like. CXAI is the only name that kind of has somewhat of a catalyst that isn't the penny stock. So I like to pay attention to names like these ones, right? So we're going to be paying attention to CXAI, obviously. Uh, yeah, interesting. Alrighty, so especially if we can stay above the 200 EMA, there, this one's going to be on watch. Like I don't know, I don't know if it's a trick or not, if it has anything to do with anything. But when I'm looking at the pre-market gainers list, I always pay attention to the name that's not a penny stock. I look at the list and I'm like, okay, APLM is a penny stock, VEV is a penny stock, AKTS is a penny stock, right? Technically, they're all penny stocks. Below $5, all penny stocks. But you know what I mean, right? So, and then some really good volume on this one, even though it's not up a whole lot. But yeah. So when I see stuff like this that isn't a penny stock, I'm like, interesting, right? Maybe something's gonna come out of this, right? So, and Pablo writes, "Good morning, Monty. Good morning. Good morning." Yeah, so we'll see what's happening again. APLM is selling up before the market opens, so and CXAI is just holding it, just holding it. Updated in the exactly, Pablo, exactly. So all types of, yeah. So those alerts in the top gainers, they update like every 4 seconds. I think it tells you actually how quickly it updates. No, no, no. AKTS. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it does kind of tell you that it was updated 2 minutes ago as well, but that's not the case. It's constantly updated. Constantly. Explosion heard in Tel Aviv. Is that why the market dropped a little bit? Maybe. Explosion heard in Tel Aviv. Israeli media reports. I bet you that's why we had that little drop in Nvidia and the S&P. Unbelievable. Yeah, because when we were looking, there was a random drop right there. It's like, where is that coming from? There's no news. I bet you that's what happened. And Nvidia just looks nice. The high of the day yesterday for the S&P was kind of where we're sitting at. So, yep, we're just kind of going straight, range bound for now in the markets. Well, Nvidia is cooking, but like the S&P, the last 2 days, right before the market open, people are just locking in gains. It doesn't mean it's going to keep crashing. It might actually be a good thing. Does something. It really is silly, Kimbella. It really is silly. It really is silly. Really, really is. What can we do though? Absolutely nothing. So again, so CXAI is still interesting to me. So we're gonna keep a closer eye on this one, and then the other penny stocks we're just gonna we wait to see what happens. We wait to see what happens. Yeah, Pablo. One of these days, everybody that's doing fantasy needs to go to the fantasy channel so we can chat, and decide what we want to do. Because I don't think, because again, like I think we only have like 4 or 5 now still on the like signed up. I don't know if more people are planning on joining, or like I don't know. You know, new Tesla Model Y Junip is 500-mile range. Oh wow, that's cool. Tesla 500 miles. Nice. Uh, Never traded penny stocks before. Hmm. Oh, CXAI is bouncing up the 200. Yeah, Starbucks is gonna cook today, isn't it? It's gonna cook today. Okay, make sure I am ready. Uh, Notes. Question. There you go. Les Goats. Yeah, he's stealing monies from the markets, in and out quickly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Mohammed was saying he was stressed last season, so I don't know if he wants to keep playing. And then Stewart, I don't know. Um, so I don't know. We'll see. Good morning, Giovanni. Good morning. 10 minutes to go, guys. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? You guys have your own scanner, or you guys just look for top gainers on the website things? We have our own stuff, matrix of everything you could think of. Yeah, and so come join us in Discord. Make sure you sign up for the right membership though, otherwise it doesn't give you access. Ready? My favorite channel? Oh my favorite name? Oh, I see. APLM is still kind of dipping here now too, so we broke below that yeah. Again, when you're sitting on resistance and you go below the 9 EMA, it's usually a problem, right? It looks like VEV is rebounding above the 200 again, so that's okay, right? On the left hand side there, so that's not too bad. VEV, that's one of the penny stocks, and then AKTS came all the way back down, all the way up, all the way back down. So, yep. APLM is your favorite name? Okay, sounds good. So yeah, let's see where that thing can find a base at. Because for now it doesn't really seem, it almost seems like the curse is started way before the market opened. They're like, you know what, every morning there's a pre-market curse except for yesterday maybe, Let's start the course early. You need the now virus? Yes. Would you please take a look at the two companies that are merging, electric boat companies? Remember these companies, Pablo? Do you remember these companies? Of course you do. Uh, we had a lot of fun with these two companies. Um, so these two companies are merging. I mean, if they are, what like what? So I would let the merge happen. This one doesn't look too bad. I'm not sure if you're in this stock. It doesn't look bad. It's coming off a really good level, actually, right? If you look at the daily, B dozer, it's coming off a really nice bottom, right? So this is July. This is same month, and then this is obviously this month, right? So really good support at 48 cents, right? So it's coming off a really nice support level. Again, I'm not sure if you're in a position, so you might have to give me more details. And then FRZA was a fun one back in the back in the other days. It doesn't seem like it's doing anything for now. It's a penny stock now, so I'm not quite sure how the merging is happening, which ticker symbol they're taking, what the float looks like. So you're gonna have to maybe give me more or do some more research, and then this one kind of has support at 25 cents. But when a company is merging with another one, there's more to this than just yeah. The S&Ps is back up there now, right? Looks like they're like explosion. Cool. Let's move on. APLM is still selling off. Again, we shall see where that thing decides to bounce at. Uh, yeah. That is true, isn't it? That's a good point. But I'm pretty sure it will be at the top of the list. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. There's 7 minutes to go. 7 minutes to go. That thing is like, you know what? If I'm not at the top of the list, I'm not cursed, right? Wow. Well, VEV is going to need to keep pushing as well. And then APLM is going to need to sell up a little bit more, but that's pretty close. Oh my goodness. They're like, you know what? Keep coming down. Keep coming down. It does, doesn't it? Wow, wow, wow. If you're not at the top, you're not cursed. So less than 1%. Now it's up another 10%. Yeah. Good morning, ML Vapes. Yeah. No. Quick question: if a stock doesn't a lot of shares to short, uh, the bag holders are diluting. No, bag holders cannot dilute a stock, Giovanni. Um, but has a lot of bag holders in the stock price. This on the stock price. Yeah, no, it doesn't now. So they cannot dilute. So yeah, VV is still sitting there. Kind of looks like a double top, which it is a double top on at 21 cents for VEV. EPLM looks like it's trying to curl up the bottom there now, and then CXAI is still just sitting here, right? Again, I think the only reason we kind of like CXAI is because it's not a penny. It's not in the penny land. That's it. There's nothing else to that. It has a catalyst. It has okay volume. So serve is another one that has been cooking. Well, I mean a bit of a pop at least, right? So serve, not bad at all. So we can kind of keep an eye on this one as well. Yeah. No, 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 no. Okay. Serve. APLM. Yeah. There you go. Good morning, Max. Let's hit the like button. Yes, please. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Um, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. Virus. Alrighty? Okay. Does the camera look better on this? I feel like the camera looks better on like the camera looks better today than it did yesterday. Anyways, Natalia, good morning. Good morning. Server still looking okay. CXAI is like, you know what, guys? Nah. How much time do you have here? Okay. The only thing I don't like about this is the fact that we're going below the, you know. Uh, let's see. Do do do. Do do do. Hmm. 36. You got into APLM at 36. Okay, we're kind of sitting at 30 cents for now. But Lucas, do you realize what you're doing wrong there though? Natalia, can you slap him for me, please? Right? Do you realize you're buying at 36 and it's at resistance? Like it's right at like these wicks are like it's a triple top. You're buying at resistance, right? Resistance, resistance, resistance. So let's see and hope that we can get back up there though. Alrighty. The markets close. The markets open in 30 seconds. Candle closings, not. Anyways, there you go. La 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 la. You took the monies, okay. Took the monies. Perfect. Welcome. Yeah. Open the markets. We have 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Open the gates. Let's see. Anything cooking yet? No, nothing cooking yet. Nothing cooking yet. Uh hmm. There we go, guys. There we go. Can we get above that 50? There we go. Let us cook, please. Let us cook, please. The only concern is that's the initial candle, you know. That's the only concern here. But let us cook. Let us cook, please. Let's go. We're coming up to the next resistance here, guys. Closer to like 260. So make sure you move your stop losses higher, please. There we go. Let us cook. Let us cook. Let us cook again. The legend members are cooking, guys. The legends are cooking. The legends are cooking. Give us a halt up. 269. Interesting level actually. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Again, make sure you pay yourself on the way up, obviously, right? Make sure you pay yourself on the way up, please and thank you. Make sure you pay yourself on the way up. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. Easy monies, guys. Easy monies. Again, you guys were given the right signal. Did anybody take that signal in Discord? Let me know if you did. Type in yes in the chat if you took the signal, guys. Type in yes in the chat if you took the signal. Again, if you're a GOAT member, if you're a legend or GOAT member, you're cooking, right? Easy monies. You become a legend member, you get the signals, right? So there you go. There it is. Easy monies, right? Your entry was there, you got it. You're making easy monies, and we're not done yet. So there you go. So congratulations. We kind of talked about how this was our favorite play because it's not a penny stock, right? It's not a penny stock. It's our favorite play. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's cook, guys. Let us cook together, please. Again, make sure you take profits on the way up. At this point, if you go red, I will find you, I will slap you, I will change your computer password. Alrighty? So do not go red, please. Do not go red. Take profits on the way up. Move your stop loss higher. Alrighty? You're out at 280. Let's go, Archer. Give me a high five. I will find you and I will slap you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I mean, we need to. We need to pay for the. We need to pay for the new computer somehow. Uh, there we go. Star Guardian for the day. Let's go. Congratulations, Dennis. So yeah, make sure you're paying yourself on the way up. Alrighty. Uh, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. VEV looks like it's cooking now there too, guys. Right. So nice little pop on VEV. Really nice pop there. So again, right into the demand zone, right to the moon, 140%. Ooh wee! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So again, APLM is still selling off, guys. We haven't gone above the 9 EMA. We're below the 200. Into the open, it was the top gainer. So like nothing's really happened here with this thing. Nothing's happened, right? Nothing's happened. This is why when you have a small loss, take the small loss, go somewhere else, please. Yep, exactly. Right? When the market opens, it's a complete different game. No, 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 no. Let's go, guys. I like that we're all eating this morning, guys. Teamwork. So again, we help each other out, right, guys? We help each other out. We want to win together. We want to make monies together. So no, 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 no. Teamwork. You're done for the day. Oh my goodness, guys. Grim is out at 288. Let's go, Grim. Come on. Laura, you're done already? Oh my goodness. We're not done yet, Laura. We're not done yet. Here comes 288 again. So we're holding the 9 EMA, which is perfect, right? If we can stay above the 9 EMA, I'm happy with it. There goes 290, guys. Woo, 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 woo. Give us more monies, please. Laura has been done every single day this week early. My goodness, Laura. My goodness. My goodness. There you go. Just as a reminder. Just as a reminder. Uh, the class on Saturday worked wonders. Like honestly, Laura, we tell people to like if you need help, show up to the class and ask questions, right? Again, we had a class on Saturday. Laura showed up and she asked questions and listened to other people's questions, and she's been cooking. In the last like what is it 15 days, Laura's been read one time, and the one time she was read, actually she's been read twice. And the two times she was read, she wrote down questions and she was like, I need to fix this, and then she showed up and she asked questions, right? So yep. Jaspreet's less goats, congratulations. APLM is still selling off, guys. There's really nothing to see there yet. It might be able to bounce up 22 there, hopefully. It looks like we're stalling at 24 cents for VEV. Not bad though. Really good pop at the open. And the S&P is cooking. It's raining, guys. Can you guys hear the thunder? Maybe not. Probably not, because the mic should cut that out. But yeah, Nvidia with a bit of a dip with the S&P cooking this morning. So I want to see SPY go up 1% today. None of this like up and down rubbish. None of this up and down rubbish. Uh, let's go. Let's go. Again, if you're not a legend member or a GOAT member, you're missing out on signals, right? If we were sitting in Discord, we could do this all day long, right? But obviously, we're not sitting in Discord. So then we kind of have to do trades too, and then we kind of have to do other things. So, we try and do, one a day, trying to. Um, but yeah, again, if you're not, if again, this stuff pays for itself. If you made more than your price of membership, guys, on this one trade, type in yes in the chat. If you made more than the price of your membership in one trade, type in yes in the chat. Right? Legends and goats. So yep, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out big time. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us. Right? So yep. Again, that was your entry range, your stop loss, and we're still kind of looking good, right? We are stalling below $3, so I would be careful here. We're either gonna pop here now or go back and retest the 9 EMA. Right? We're clearly in the supply zone, so we're either gonna pop or go back and retest the 9. Alrighty. So obviously we want it to pop, but it's also sitting at supply. Yeah. Uh, let's Jameson. I'm just seeing that now. Let's go. Uh, let's go. Let's go. Monies. 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 MIGI. 415. Okay. Yeah. Let me put. Yeah. So either we can. So that supply zone, or we go back and retest. Okay, let me take a look at MIGI, and then I'll take a look at Holo. MIGI looks nice. I'm actually going to put both of them up here along with Holo. Holo. Yeah, Holo looks okay, doesn't it? 13%. I don't trust Holo, but MIGI does look nice though. What on Grim? Good breakout. Yeah, that was a really good breakout at the open there. So it looks like it's stalling a bit at $2.30, but it's done well. Nice. Good job, Matix. Good job. Good job. And here comes the sell-off, right? Surprise? No, not really. Right, we're stalling for too long at that price. We're going to come back and retest. It doesn't mean that it's completely dead, right? Let's see if we can dip, get a higher low, and then push back up. So again, like people will always ask me like, "Hey Blaze, I bet you someone's gonna send me a DM today and say, hey, like, how did you know this thing was gonna pump like CXAI?" I don't know, right? Like Pablo said in the chat, and with 100 emoji, like it just comes with a bit of experience, right? It just comes with us being on here every single day, every single day, every single day, looking at these stocks, and you're like, every time. You might not even think about it, but it starts to click at some point, right? So every time you look at this list, right, and like the top four, like three of them are penny stocks, you have to pay attention to the one stock that isn't a penny stock. You really have to, right? Because there's a really good chance it's going to pop, right? And VEV is also cooking here, holding above the 9 and cooking. So VEV looks nice, right? 160% on this one here, right? So I know a whole bunch of people were holding this one in pre-market. It just had to dip ski, didn't it? Right? Well, clearly it wasn't number one on the list. It was number two. So number two and number three are fine, right? Number two, number three are fine. Number two, number three, completely fine. It's number one that's always the problem. Number one. Every single day, it's number one. Cursed, right? Cursed. If you're holding number one into the open, you have a problem. You have a problem, right? Even GNLN yesterday, like it really struggled and then eventually popped, right? Because it stayed above the 200. How to become a legend member in Discord? I paid for general. Do you have the same? Yeah, kind of. Rage, it's kind of the same. So you just have to go to. So this is how you upgrade your membership. How to. Yeah, I think it's this one. How to upgrade your membership. So these are the steps. So you just have to go to the members, the membership section, like the members only. Again, click the link at the bottom, right? Go to the homepage under the membership section, like the members only. Click on see perks, and then click on, like, you select the new level you want, and then just change the level, um, and then go from there. Alrighty. Add in three. Yeah. Well done, Laura. Well done. Pablo, yep. Yep. You're welcome. Tesla is popping. Yeah, the S&P is cooking today. So, yep, yep. I mean, it's always funny how the markets work, honestly. Anyways, let's see if we can stay above 270 here for CXAI already, and then curl back around. Lucas said, made 400 you're out. You're out already, Lucas. Well done. Give me a high five. Well done. Good job. Right, Lucas. Again, I keep telling you guys, like, I have full faith. I have full faith in this community, and I have faith that if you are part of this community, you will cook. Not kidding. The ideas on ideas on ideas on ideas. You will cook if you can make $400 a day, $300 a day, consistently scalp. You will not cook though if you make $400 on one play and lose $400 on the next play. You will struggle, right? So you have to, when something does not look good, exit. Take your $100 loss, go make that $400 gain. You're gonna be fine. Exactly, Dennis. You will be fine. So, yup. There we go, CXAI. Let's go. There we go, guys. 290. We're back to the top. So again, beautiful retest. This is a double top now for CXAI. We need to break it though. Yeah. La 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 la. Here we go. Come on. 290. Let it cook, Grim. Let it cook. Give us a breakout here. The S&P. Wow, SPY is really doing well today. I mean, hopefully it's not one of those days where we're cooking the early half and then the rest of the day we're in the abyss, you know? There goes 296, guys. And we're still feeling below $3, but looking good. Looking good. Yeah, so that looks like a double top for now because the candle really hasn't closed and it's still in that supply zone. So be very careful. MIGI, Grim is letting that thing cook. 240. So congratulations, Grim. Well done on this one. Already? Well done, well done, well done. Love it. Love it. Yeah, it is. It is. So technically, what this is now is a double top for CXAI. This is another reason why, honestly, sometimes when a stock is getting to resistance, take those gains and then get back in if the resistance is broken and it's actually holding or on a retest, right? Because you never know. And there's a reason why double tops are very common is because we keep getting back and double tops very common, right? So if we can go back up there for the third time, then maybe. But yeah, when we say need to wait for a breakout means wait until the candle is closed. Yes, Jamie. So whatever time frame you're looking at, it needs to break above. So not it doesn't always have to be the 1 minute. It could also be the 3 minute, right? So if you're looking, you need to wait for that thing to break and close. In this case, clearly that's not a breakout and a close. It's simply just wicks, right? We're waking up and failing. So yeah, and then back down. So let's see if we can stay above the VWAP because technically this is just a retest, right? Which is common too, right? If you look right there, this was resistance, and then that was a breakout, and then this is retest of the VWAP. So let's see if we can stay above it. Cool, cool. MIGI just got slapped. So slapped all the way back down to the trend. So watch $2 for support. Zum, if you're looking for an entry, watch $2. If it can consolidate above $2, then that's not too bad. VEV is still sitting at the highs there, which is amazing. So 26 pennies. So again, congratulations if you're still in this one. Yeah. Uh, yeah, it wants to, doesn't it? Yeah, 26.20. Yeah, no, SPY looks nice. SPY just made new highs of the day. Nvidia is also Nvidia's back to the highs of the day as well. So Nvidia looks nice. The S&P looks nice. The markets look nice today. Hopefully we can cook all day, guys, and then go from there. APLM looks like it's finally trying to curl here, but meh. I don't know. We'll see. So again, this thing is really giving us no reason to buy at the open, right? No reason at all. Maybe now though that it's holding 21-ish, maybe now, but it's given us no reason, right? Clearly that thing was at resistance, and it just kept selling off and selling off and selling off. So CXAI looks like it's holding the VWAP for now, so I hope that we can stay above $2.60 if it wants to. MIGI looks like we actually did bounce up $2, and then it popped back above the trend, so it's back to 218. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, and then Holo really isn't doing much. That thing needs a bit more volume if it wants to cook, and then back to CXAI here. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. I would really appreciate that. It really, really helps more than you know. Yeah, again, more than you know. So again, smash a like, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Right, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Sign up for the right level and come join us. Alrighty. Good morning, Shankar. Christopher, what's your question for APLM? Let me know. Yeah, if you have a question, ask your question, not just the ticker symbol. Otherwise, I tend not to look. You made $590. Let's go, Samak. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, it looks like, well, you can clearly see that resistance up there, right? Just above 26 cents. So you secured your money though, Samak. Yeah, congratulations. Well done. Give me a high five. Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. We're cooking this morning. I mean, do we not cook every morning? I mean, we kind of cook every morning, so I don't know why this morning would be different, but Palantir. High five. Good morning. Okay, back to our favorite name, guys. CXAI. That thing came back to retest that trend at the VWAP. I'm liking the. I mean, as if I didn't like the VWAP already. That's anything that's on my chart. I like it, right? So I like the VWAP. I like the VWAP. Everything on my, on these charts has a reason to be there. So again, for people that wonder like what the VWAP is or like what it's there to do, like I basically use the VWAP as mean reversion, right? So like if a stock is coming down, I use the VWAP as a potential like bounce level. So some of the signals I've sent in Discord, I've used the VWAP as like, hey, this could be a potential bounce area, especially if it's a big drop, right? I use the VWAP and the 200. And same thing on the way up. Like if a stock is pumping and pumping and pumping, right? I use the VWAP as, okay, you know what? This could be resistance, right? So if that helps, right? CXAI again obviously has a lot of resistance up here, a lot of resistance, a lot of resistance. Alrighty, so you bought 50 shares, okay. Make sure you have a plan, please, right? Have a stop loss, have a this, have a that, whatever you need to do. Make sure you're ready. Cool. Looks like we're finally finding a base here though for APLM. So again, 21. As long as 21 is holding, as long as 21 is holding. Official said already made $70 from VEV and your signal, and thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome, official. Right? Again, your membership is paid for. Right? Easy monies. Easy monies. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Rage was like, you know what, guys? I'm missing out. I'm missing out on these signals. You guys are cooking without me. So let me come join you guys. Welcome, Rage. Welcome. Did they even charge you a difference? I don't know if they did. La, 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 la. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. I think that class on Saturday was really good, actually. That class on Saturday was really good. That was really good. Uh, is that algo you have, is it free? Do you have to pay for it? No. Again, if you're a lifetime member, you get it for free. If you're a gold member, you get a free trial. Um, if you're just a member, then you have to pay for it, and it's really cheap. Promise, 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 promise. It's really cheap. Alrighty, Pyro. Good morning, Ayo. And you can only buy it if you are a member. Only if you are a member. My goodness, CXAI just keeps going up and down in this range, doesn't it? Up and down, up and down. So yeah, come on, let us cook CXAI. Just break resistance. That thing's like, nah, I don't want to break resistance. Kind of looks like a head and shoulder, doesn't it? Like a weird one. Um, so I don't know if we're actually gonna get that breakout, but no, 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 no. I'm just looking at some of these other charts here, see if anything looks more presentable here. 60. Perfect. Uh, how do you input the algo? So at the very top where it says notifications, indicators, click on so if you sent, like, if you just bought it now, make sure you send that username over, your TradingView username. If it's included, like, did you send in your username? Because you have to do that first before you do the steps. Alrighty. Also, there's a video in Discord on how to set it up. There's a video in Discord, how to set it up. In the Bull Bear How To channel, there's a video in there. Choo, 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 choo. What's everything else doing? The S&P is dipping a bit there. NVDA is still holding up well. CXAI was still like, VEV has failed at resistance, obviously, again. When something is clearly sitting at resistance, guys, sometimes take those gains and then come back, especially if it closes below the 9, right? APLM is still just kind of consolidating there. I'm not sure what it wants to do. Holo isn't doing much. And then MIGI is still playing with $2. Right, so that thing kind of seems to like $2 for now, and it's bad. This is the second time it's bouncing up $2, so that's good, right? So again, $2 really important. Make sure you have a stop loss. If it's not holding $2, then you kind of have a problem. Alrighty. So yep. Again, CXAI is still looking like our favorite name of the morning, isn't it? Still looking like our favorite stock, right? So it just needs to cook above resistance. So if it doesn't break above resistance, then there's really nothing more we can do here. But it needs volume from somewhere. Needs volume from somewhere. Uh, there we go. Husa. Husa. Yeah, the longer we sit at this price, the more annoying it's gonna get. The longer we sit here, the more annoying it's gonna get. So it's gonna need to break out like now, now, now. If it wants to go. Like now, 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 now. Like now, 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 CXAI. And then if this thing can cook, then there's a whole bunch of other sympathy plays we could pull up. Right, that's the one benefit, is that this is a name that we're quite familiar with. So, but it would need to cook more though, because this isn't enough to cause a sympathy. So, but again, clearly at resistance. So we shall see. Again, APLM is curling up at 21, which is good, right? Sometimes let these things go to the abyss, please. Let them go to the abyss, right? There's no need for you to FOMO into stuff at the open, because you're like, but Blaze, it was the top gainer. I have to FOMO. Sometimes just let it consolidate. Just let it consolidate. Even if you do end up losing, you're not about to get destroyed, right? It's finally curling off the bottom after it's consolidated for like the last few minutes, right? So anyway, so that's looking better, isn't it? Look at that, looking better. It might still go back to the abyss, but at least your chances of success are quite a little bit higher, right? So I earned enough today on CXAI to reimburse my first month membership. Very happy. I'm still trying to find my way around in Discord. I'm trying to find the room where pre-market are. Yeah, there you go. So just hang out in Stock General with all the other criminals, right? Again, guys, Bulldozer became a member yesterday. I mean, like, do we need to say anything else? He became a member yesterday, took the first play today, paid for the month's membership already, and can just relax and learn. And Discord is free, right? So there you go. Right, your membership pays for itself. So if you're not a member, become a member. There goes APLM. Give my monies back, Lucas. Hopefully. So yep. There it goes. I mean, it's approaching the 200 and the 50. So you would think around this price, it might start to struggle. Hopefully not. But CXAI is really like playing games around this price. This thing needs to go. Otherwise, it's gonna get slapped. I think that thing is finding a lot of resistance. And again, like if you're looking for a brand new position, you shouldn't be buying that thing at resistance anyways, because it's clearly resistance. As much as we like the stock, you should not be buying it at resistance, right? So, yep. And it kind of looks like we're already stalling on APLM then. MIGI is still, holding $2 but failing at the VWAP, right? So we shall see VEV again still dipping, right? Below the 9 EMA still dipping, right? That again, this is why when you get the warning sign, listen, 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 right? You break below the 9, you listen. Because if you don't listen, you will end up in the abyss, right? There's not a stock that goes to the abyss without a warning sign. Very rare. Maybe names like GNLN, but then those names are also up like 700%, and you should be taking profits, you know. Anyways, so yep, there's always a warning sign. You don't listen, the market will slap you. Say, come again tomorrow, please. Bring new monies. There we go. There we go, Lucas. Retesting that 200 again now. Um, yeah. Let me take a look. I want to take a look at what starts to GNLN. I keep saying GNLN. Maybe it's for a reason. Maybe it's for a reason. I told you guys I want to watch this talk today, right? Actually, that's beautiful. Again, where's Natalia? Natalia, do you see the entry on display? Let me know. Lucas, right? Easy monies on this one, right? Easy monies. Easy monies. If you're not a gold member and you're struggling, guys, become a gold member. I'm not kidding. I am not kidding. Become a gold member. Become a gold member. Anyways, because some of these plays are easy monies. Easy monies. This is easy monies. Hmm. Anyways, what can I say? Again, so yeah, these guys did an offering yesterday, guys. We still want to pay attention to it, right? Like I said, because it's not a stock that's done an offering and gone to the abyss. It's a stock that's done an offering, but it is still in like the high dollar range. So we always pay attention to stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah, I mean the problem now is like it's had a big run already. Like again, like I said in the morning, right? This is one of the names I want to pay attention to, but obviously we had other things to pay attention to, and I kind of stopped looking at this. But it gave us a nice double bottom, a nice demand zone curl, and then boom skis. Right now it's only down 3%, which is not bad. So we're gonna keep a close eye on this one as well as the day goes on. Alrighty. So let's see here. So Laura, I know I sound like I am Blaze's pets, but I am not. His Discord group is just the best. I've been in many, and some tried even to scam on WhatsApp. Oh my goodness. Stay away from that. I'm beyond thankful. Let's go, Laura. Thank you very much. Again, don't forget to use the testimonial channel in Discord, guys. Leave a nice message in there, okay? Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Yeah, use the testimonial channel. I would appreciate that. Alrighty. Yeah. I again I we've seen like countless people, go from like holding bags to all of a sudden doing really well, and that's amazing. It really goes to show, like, again, like this is the community. This is the type of people all of this is because of the people we have in Discord, right? Not I mean, yes, we spend a lot of time on stream and we talk about it, like, we talk about a lot of educational stuff, right? But the people we have in the community are amazing, right? Amazing. um you know Amazing. A lot of people are in there helping each other out, which is all you can really ask for. So, it's amazing, right? Like, the name, I don't even, I want to say names, but I don't want to say names, because the names are endless. So, like, I really appreciate you guys for, for being team players and helping each other out. Because one more, like, like, you bless others, and then, you know how the saying goes, right? When you're blessed, you bless others, right? When you have the knowledge, share the knowledge, right? When you have the knowledge, share the knowledge. When you have a play, share the play. Let's win together, guys. Right? Let's win together. Alrighty? Let's win together. Let's win together. Uh, let's go, Pablo. Let's go. Again, it's because, we're not here to, like, let's go, Lynn. Absolutely. Absolutely. Right? We're not here to scam anybody, to take anybody's monies. We're here to win together. So, like, it's just that simple, right? I really, 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 really appreciate people that, like, go out of their way to help other people, especially in this community, because there's a lot of you guys, and I really appreciate it. More than I could ever show. I really appreciate it. Like, it doesn't matter who you are, or, like, how much you share or how little you share. I really appreciate it. Like, if someone says, hey, like, how do I switch to a cash account? It seems really simple, right? But, like, you help them, very much appreciate it. So thank you very much. Right? Again, like I say, the list of names is endless. So I don't even want to start, because I'm gonna stay here forever. Yep, absolutely. Uh yeah. There goes our GNLN, guys. Looking good. Looking very good. So Zion says, I want to join. Please send a link. Also, what platform do you use? I currently have Weibo. Weibo is fine, Zion. If you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. Come join us. Alrighty? Click the link from Nightbot. Become up. Again, that's the link at the bottom there. Virus just posted. Make sure you sign up for the right level. Legends or Goats is the best level for you to sign. Yeah. Anyways. Good morning, Sosa. Let's go. Yeah, it looks like CXAI just had too much resistance up there, guys, right? Sometimes this is why when you see resistance, just kind of hold your horses a little bit for that resistance to break or give you a better entry, right? Because you buy at resistance and it doesn't break, you're in the line of fire, right? Sheesh, Nvidia is cooking, guys. My days. 114 for Nvidia. The S&P is not looking too hot, is it? But it's green, but it's been dipping from the tops there. Probably bounce up like 136, 80 there. But yeah, Nvidia has been doing really well. Really well. Anybody get back into GNLN? Uh, Yang? Okay, sounds good. Let me make sure you're good to go then. Uh, uh, no, 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 no. Okay, perfect. So Yan, click, go to indicators. So refresh your trading view. Go to indicators at the very top. Click on indicators at the very top. If you see invite only on that list, you're good to go. And then go to the there's a video on how to watch it. It's different from yours. Would that matter? No, you're fine. It's just your username that's needed. Uh, so yeah, click on indicator and then let me know. Click on indicators, and then if you have invite only on the list, you're good to go. And then just follow the steps in that video and you should be fine. Alrighty, again, GNLN still looking nice. Holding 11. Yeah, it's not bad, is it? Kind of seems like it's stalling below 1150 the Archer. M goal is easy monies. Yeah, scalpies. Uh, there we go. Okay, yeah, you're not. It's not done yet. Then Troy says I made my monies. Calling it a day. I love it, Troy. Well done. Is knowing when to walk away. Yep. Yep. Well done. Well done, skis. Uh, hmm, perfect. Check again. Check again in a minute. You should have it in like 30 seconds. Yang. So refresh again in 30 seconds, and you're good to go. Alrighty. Yeah, refresh again in like 30 seconds, and you should be good to go. OKS. What's your position in that play? Let me know. So I know. Grim loves this one too. Yeah. What's your position in this one? You're surprised it hasn't been slapped yet? Yeah. This kind of looks like a retest of the view app, doesn't it? Yeah. So what is that? $1.60 at the top? $1.60, $1.65. Okay. Kind of looks like it's forming some weird higher lows, but it needs a bit of volume. Needs a bit of volume. So as the day goes on, it's still. I mean, so I kind of don't like what CXAI is doing there. As soon as I say that, it flushes, right? Yeah, kind of don't like what it's doing there. But let's see if we can stay above $1.60. Kind of the same idea from GNLN yesterday, right? Like if we stay above the 200, we stay above this little white line, it's fine, righty? And then GNLN is becoming slowly becoming a favorite. Chris, any advice on Lumen? What's your position in Lumen? Let me know. Lumen. What's your position in Lumen? Again, guys, when you have a position, please let me know if you're, because if you're in this position, I'm smiling for you, right? Because it looks beautiful. It looks like a nice curl, a nice breakout, right? And then we can maybe talk about exits and the stop loss. But if you're not in a position, then you kind of don't want to buy that thing at that price because it's at the highs, right? You're maybe waiting for Dipski. So you got in at 493. What's your stop loss at, Chris? What's your stop loss at? Um, yeah, because you want it to stay like above, like right around like a dollar, 490 to 480. So that little 10 cent range is support. It looks okay. Your entry is a bit tough, right? But it's holding, and the reason I say it's tough is because it's sitting right below $5. So like it's not horrible. Let's go Raven. 490. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above and then pop. Oh. Is M goal a good call? Zump, you have a lot of questions. You have a lot of like newbie questions. Are you new to the market? Let me know. Are you new to the market? There goes CXAI with the pop. So it does look like we came back for a double bottom though, right? Doesn't it? Like off the pivot there. So $2.60. $2.60. APLM is, that thing failed at the 200 EMA. Is that a big surprise, guys? It really isn't, right? It really isn't. So the 200 EMA, the 50 EMA right there, resistance straight back to the abyss. So you're really hoping this thing can stay above 21 on it for the third time, right? For the third time. So no, no. For the third time, 21 pennies. Music seems loud. Seems loud. It's a bit slow now, isn't it? A little bit slow. So Yang, do you have it now? Are you good to go? Let's go. Love it, Alan. Love it. Love it. Hmm. Uh, how long have you been trading for? How long? Send me a username in Discord, Yang. Send me a username. You're just messing around? Okay. Well, don't be messing around with your monies, though. Otherwise, you're gonna find the same bridge that Mullen is and AMC are both at. TPST 119, Jaspreet? Okay. Yeah, APLM is not looking too hot, is it? Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Straight resistance. Below that 200, always a big red flag. Because when it goes back up, it's gonna hit it, and then potentially go back down. Was this a complete retest? This is like a retest of the 200 on CXAI. So are we going to be done with this? I mean, we will be done with this thing if we close below the 200. But yeah, this one was a pretty easy trade this morning, it seems like, right? So this is one of the only times where like you will get a signal below the 200 because the market isn't open yet, right? So that's a bit different. Alrighty, that was a pretty quick push, right? Like in 3 minutes, you're almost already at resistance and selling at resistance, right? So a few weeks, okay. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above the 200 now. Lumen looks like it just popped above $2, so that's good. Your stop loss never hit on this play, which is good. So stop loss never hit on that play, and you're up almost 10 cents on that now. So send it, send it, send it, send it. APLM is looking rubbish. And the current high is 1175 for GNLN. Okay. Oh, let me take a look. Let's take a look, ski. So you got in on 119 TPST, and you're wondering if it's time for you to exit your position for 10 cents in gains. I see what you're looking at. Yeah, good entry though. Good entry. Like it. I like it. I like it. See the. I want to say yes because you're approaching a double top. Um, I want to say yes because you're approaching a double top there. Yeah. So, and then if we can break and stay above $1.35, it might give you another entry. Alrighty. VEV is finally curling there. Finally, 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 finally. My goodness. Finally. Yeah. Yeah, the 200 sender. I mean, it is bouncing up the 200 for now, so that's good. So that is good. Perfect. Yeah, yeah. Give me a second, and then uh. No, Alan doesn't need any more screens. Can you tell it's a slow morning, guys? Like nothing is popping to new highs. Nothing. Like nothing is cooking to new highs, right? I mean, okay, take that back, right? Lumen is kind of cooking, right? But it's very slow, right? Like Lumen is fine. Lumen is slowly pushing up. I'm sure you've moved that stop loss already, right? From 490, right? Stop loss up already, Chris, right? So you should be good now. But yeah, like nothing is. You should be good to refresh now, Yang. So you can go ahead and refresh now. You should have it. Yeah. Yep. Stay above the 200 and then break that stupid downtrend because it looks like we've created a downtrend from all the way from the top, actually. Interesting. All the way from the top. 410. Yeah. Good exit around 5 though, right, Jeff? Or above. Or, yeah, close to 5. Uh, Noah, yeah. No, if I wanted to buy Lumen, as nice as Lumen looks, this would not be the price for me, right? And yeah, VEV's had a nice curl up the bottom, Jordan. Tesla's pumping to daily highs. Nice. It's about time Tesla caught up to everything else, though, right? Tesla's at the very bottom of the. Yeah, the last few days, everything has left Tesla behind. What's Tesla at now? 205. Actually, that's a really nice run for Tesla. It's a very nice run. It kind of seems to be running on its own now, actually. NVIDIA has done really well, too, so. Done really well. Yeah, hopefully the markets can keep the gains, though. Hopefully the markets can keep the gains. There goes VEV with a sell-off, right? And there goes Lumen with a dip. So yeah, like I said, right? Buying Lumen at the highs of the day is just not something that I do. Um, there's only one time that I buy stuff at the highs of the day, and you guys know when that is, right? Other than that, you catch me outside. I'm not about to buy something that's been pumping like that. Nope. Again, there's only one time I would do that. It's not on AMC, and it's not about the stock. Anyways, CXAI is still holding the 200, so I kind of like that it's bouncing off the bottom there. Uh, Thanks for recording. Awesome. Well done, Jay. Yeah, I'm glad you could watch it. Well done, well done. TPST looks like it came all the way back up there at Jaspreet, right? So it's playing with that 35 now, $1.35, which is the double top. No, Raven. 95, Chris. Uh, is that where your stop loss was at? Yeah, your stop loss is quite low though. For a stock that's very slow, yeah, quite low. You're still in there? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's see if it breaks above for you. And it looks like it actually is breaking out for you, Jaspreet. So hopefully it can break and stay above. TPST finally, yeah, ELWS, I see that. Yeah, TPST looks like it's finally doing some things there. So good job. Chris, you should have trusted the 9. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. 269, 270 CXAI. Come on. Let us cook, please. Let us cook. Jaspreet, you're doing really well. I like it. I like the turnaround. You're becoming greedy. I like the turnaround though. I like it. Well done. I like it. Yeah. I think what I'm also interested after we missed the curl is now we have to wait for the second run if it has one, right? If not, we just stay away. So when we show up and something's already pumping like this, yeah, not about to go FOMO into that stuff, please. Absolutely not, right? When it's below the 9, like cat, like no, right? So, anyways, back to CXAI there. La 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 la. Um, yeah, yeah, off the 200 Kimbella, yeah. The volume on TPST, yeah, yeah, kind of. We do need something to cook though. My goodness, Rish, very slow. More than half of you guys haven't smashed a like yet, guys. So and again, it really helps. So if you haven't already, take a second and smash a like. I would really appreciate that. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And yeah, if you want to join us in Discord, you know what to do. Come join us. But yeah, guys, again, it really helps when you smash a like. So take a second and smash a like. Take a second and smash the like. Compared to what it was, yeah, 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 absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, Bitcoin had a nice bounce, but it's still below 60K though. What a slacker. Uh, Fast spreading monkeypox outbreaks in Africa were declared in continent wide. Oh wow, monkeypox. Wow, monkeypox is coming back, guys. You guys know where we go, right? We like we're terrible, guys. We're terrible. We're absolutely terrible. You know, something is happening, and we're like, oh, what stocks? What stocks? What stocks? What stocks? We are terrible, terrible, terrible. Is that gonna stop me from looking at the stocks, though? No, it's not. It's not gonna stop me from looking at these stocks. Siga was one from back in the monkeypox days, right? Was it Siga? Yeah, Siga was a monkeypox name. There was another one though. There was another one that was way nicer. Tony? Exactly, right? Exactly, Tony. Yeah, Siga was one of those names, SIGA. Offensive, Mpox. Wow, yeah. What is it? GOVX or something like that? Was it GOVX? Yeah. Again, nothing is really. Yeah, Vrax was another one of those names. We like to look at these names, not necessarily jumping into them. We like to look at them just to, set alerts and be ready. Because again, like so what's happening is it looks like so Africa CDC declares monkeypox outbreak, public health emergency. Tens of thousands of people have been affected across the continent since. Okay, cool. So stuff like that really doesn't really, like yeah, watch list in Discord. Thank you, Pablo. So Pablo's gonna post a watch list in Discord, guys, for monkeypox. You just want to keep it as a watch list, right? Stuff like this usually doesn't like start really affecting people until it comes to like North America or like Europe, right? So I mean, it is what it is, right? So you just kind of watch, and if the volume kicks in, then you play with it, right? Whenever you're looking at a stock, you never want to like just like prematurely like jump into stuff because you're like, oh, it's gonna come. No, you want to make sure that the volume comes in. Otherwise, you're gonna be there on your own. Early Works has been cooking here, guys. ELWS. This one's been spammed in Discord quite a few times. I just haven't looked at it. It's been spammed, but it's also finding resistance at $3. So be careful now. It's at resistance. Yeah, there you go. So again, Nemo also posted a monkeypox watch list, right? So there you go. Yeah, there you go. Thank you very much, Nemo. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So when I'm telling you again, we have the best community. We have the best community. I like what CXAI is doing now again, guys. I like it again. Well, obviously, when we're bouncing at the 200, we like it, right? I copied all watch lists from Pablo. Pablo's a goat. Pablo's a goat. Right? When I say Pablo's a goat, Pablo's a goat. That was a really beautiful curl, wasn't it, on CXAI, right? Really beautiful curl of the 200 EMA. So that's why we like the 200. Like all of these lines have a reason to be here, right? Seems like we have a lot of like crazy lines, and they're confusing, but they all have a reason to be there. So no, that's monkeypox is a different one, Willie. I think chickenpox. No, the chickens is the one. The other one, whichever one. Jeff has been. Yeah, love it. Yeah, AEMD. Yeah, Pablo's watch list has been updated with to include some of the newer ones. Yeah. So whenever these names decide to move, we will be there, right? CXAI looking good. I'm sure we're gonna have resistance at 280 here, guys, for CXAI. But if you go back into bird flu, Amanda, yeah, that's the one with the chickens. Yeah, if you go back into CXAI, guys, type in yes in the chat again. I want to say easy monies, but I don't want to keep saying easy monies, guys. Again, if you're not a gold member, if you're not a gold member and you need help, become a gold member. Because when I look at all of these charts, all I see is easy monies, easy monies, easy monies, right? Easy monies. So, anyways, what can I say? What can I say? So, anyways, anyways, Ani. So yeah, 280 resistance on this one. So just be mindful of that. 280 resistance. Cool, cool. And then obviously resistance at $3 for this one here, ELWS. Um, yeah, it's halted down. Yeah, I think someone mentioned that one yesterday, right? That it was getting some hype. Yeah, no, don't listen to anybody on social media, please. Don't listen to anybody on social media. Don't get scammed. Please and thank you. Yeah, it looks like ELWS is going back up again, though. These candles are quite a bit congested, but and still at $2.80, guys, for resistance. unless they're Hutchred's guardian or just a Hutchred's member, because I think we have nicer members. Uh, okay, perfect. What do I think about CXAI? That's not a good question. Um, that's why I'm saying, that's the exception, I'm kidding though. But again, if like we want like you want to be in the like it doesn't matter what you do, whether that's in the stock market, in politics, in education, it doesn't matter. You want to be in the like you always want to question stuff, right? If someone says, hey, go buy this stock, you want to say why am I buying this stock, right? So okay, can I connect interesting. Mohammed, that thing looked like garbage from the very beginning. From the very beginning, as soon as the market opened, it looked like absolute garbage, right? So, yeah, yeah. Saban, all I'm saying is like asking like what I think about a stock when I've been talking about the stock all morning is not a good question, right? So, it doesn't really help you out. Yeah. Yeah. Look, if any get volume surges on a pop, exactly, Pablo. Yeah, exactly. Look for the volume, guys. Don't just go buy stuff because of monkeypox, because it might never like become a big thing in in North America or Europe. but it might. So, yep. Move for the day. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite channel in Discord, guys? Rage. So again, Rage, please make sure you go through all the channels in Discord, and you're gonna like as soon as you do, you're gonna be like, yup, 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 yup. I know where I need to be, right? So in pre-market, everybody hangs out in Stock General, right? We all hang out in Stock General, right? In pre-market, Stock General Legends, right? And then the again, if I see a play, if I'm posting a signal, I post it in the signal channel. If we see trade ideas, like trade ideas, we post that in trade ideas, or so make sure you go through all the channels and take a few seconds and scroll up in that channel, and you're gonna see exactly what's in which channel. Alrighty, so make sure you go through the channels, please. You're connected and good to go though, right, Rage? You're good to go. Let's go, Raven. What is the best YouTube channel? I don't know the answer. Well, let's go. Yes. Virus. Unbelievable. And breaking news, there you go, Nemo. So yeah, there are a few channels, guys. Education and stock general, there you go. So make sure you go through all the channels, right? And then you can say, oh, you know what? I don't really need to be in this channel, but I do need to be in this channel. So, and then go from there. Go from there. GNLN looks like it's trying to double bottom at 970. I don't know. I still like on stocks like this. I like the food channel. On stocks like this, I still like breakouts. So or yeah, so I would be a bit more cautious. I would prefer this thing above like $10.30 or 50 cents, stuff like that. CXAI is failing at 280, which is not a big surprise. So that's going to be our next obstacle here if we want to push. If we want to push, uh, yeah, yep, Pablo, exactly, exactly. Three Iranian officials said on Tuesday that an Iranian attack on Israel could be delayed as negotiations on the release of Gaza hostages and a ceasefire are expected later this week, suggesting that Iran may refrain from a direct retaliation against. Oh, okay. Oh, sure. Oh, sure. Mm, Uh, Lots of sellers, yeah. See, that's why like I really don't like. That's why like I'm sender. I say like I don't need to look at level two, right? AO Mikey, because I look at this and I'm like, well, duh, resistance at 280s, 280. So and there's a supply zone at 280. So I know there are a lot of sellers there without having to look, right? When you see that supply zone, it means there are lots of sellers sitting. Um, Looking at getting in tomorrow at a long term play. And I'm not sure what stock you're looking at. Looking at getting, yeah, I'm not sure what stock that is. Oh, Mera? Like, what are we talking about? um, what are we talking about, Mera? Mera on the wall. You're wondering if this is a good long term play? Um, the Mera is at $15. Sheesh. That's a pretty sweet price, though, isn't it? Yeah, anywhere from like 14 to 15 looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Yeah, I want to say yes. So, yep, 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 yep. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Like when Bitcoin was, anyways, like it's, yeah, November rallies. Yeah. Just make sure your dollar cost averaging into stuff like that though, right? And right, you're not going all in, so again, resistance straight to the abyss. So make sure your dollar cost averaging into stuff like this. Alrighty. Dollar cost averaging. Yep. Lumen is retesting those highs. It is. It is. Lumen looks nice. That was actually a really good retest. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at this beauty. Again, I love when a chart behaves like it's supposed to. Like you obviously you have a double top, right? Does that look like a double top, guys? Yes, it does. Right? Does this candle look like a breakout? Yes, it does. Does this look like a retest of the breakout, guys? Yes, it does. Are we back to the highs of the day? Yeah, we are. Very nice, isn't it? I like it. I love charts. I love charts. Yeah. You added some more calls for Mera? Okay. Yeah, no, I'm done with the dips, guys. No more dips. No more dips for me, please. The dips get. uh, no more dip skis for me. John, why? No, I bought enough dips, to benefit from any boom skis, Yeah. More BITO? No, I bought enough. I bought enough. I'm well diversified, I think. Um, now we wait for the rally, Give me a rally, please. Give me a rally, John. Give me a rally. Are you in a position, Saban, or are you looking for an entry in APLM? Right. So again, I want to know what your intentions are when you're asking a question. Is all I want. Yeah. Had the monkeypox. AMD. Yeah, AMD. Sega GOVX. Yeah, I like AMD and GOVX. Um, some of the more common like retail ones, Pablo. Right. When you ask a question, guys, what I really want to know are your intentions. You know, I want to look past your question and know what your intentions actually are. Um, Otherwise, we're both just wasting time. See, there we go. You're looking for an entry? Better. There you go. APLM. I mean, obviously, this thing has been absolute garbage today, right? Keep that in mind. It's been absolute garbage. If I was looking for an entry into this thing, I'd be looking for closer to 20 cents, Sedan, with the stop loss at 19.99, right? As soon if it breaks below 20 cents, garbage. So I'd be looking for as close to 20 cents as possible with a really, really tight stop loss, right? See, that helps you more than anything else, right? Like, is it going to pump? That doesn't help you, right? If I say yes, it's going to pump, it doesn't mean anything. Is it going to? It doesn't mean anything. So ask more questions that like actually help you out. And so again, if I was looking for an entry, I'd be looking for as close to 20 cents as possible with the stop loss. CXAI, ooh wee, looking good. This is kind of looking like a cup and handle now, though, right? It doesn't change anything, does it? It doesn't. Really, Sender? Yeah, exactly. Especially when it's not really performing, right? So CXAI, we're back to that 280 level again, guys. Looking good. Maybe this time we're gonna break above it. Maybe this time. Yeah. GOVX, Sega were the ones most played the last monkeypox outbreak. Let's go, Pablo. You did? Let's go, Ryan. Let's go. Yeah. It's funny the way it happened because we were streaming in Discord when that happened, and we were kind of laughing and saying, "Oh, these guys only have $157,000 in cash. That's it. Oh, they're gonna do an offering. They're gonna do an offering." and then 2 seconds later, Those guys did an offering and that thing went to the abyss. Let's go, Ryan. Come on. Let's go. There goes one. I'm waiting for my thing to be loaded here. Let's go, Ryan. Do. Yeah, no, it was funny the way that it happened. Hopefully no one was, I mean, again, stop losses. Graham, has it been a good day? I fell asleep with trades running, closing all my positions and going to bed. Good day, Graham. I think so. Right? You cooked today? Cooking? Oh yeah, the S&P just had a really nice pop there. Sheesh, yeah. Not sure where that pop came from, but there was a really nice pop on everything. Good. Can we go back to all-time highs now? Let's go, Grim. $3,000 up and some change. Well done, Grim. High five. Go to bed, please. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Well done. Congratulations. Love it. And we'll see you when you wake up in like the afternoon, after hours maybe, if not tomorrow morning. Congratulations. Keep doing what you're doing, Grim. Love it. Thank you very much. Uh, what happened to Trace Trades? I have no idea. Not a clue. There we go. There we go. CXAI 284. Let us cook, please. Okay, sounds good, Grim. Latas. Seriously, virus. Seriously, it's unbelievable, isn't it? It's just unbelievable. Thank you very much, Pablo. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Definitely on watch. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, no, again, so keep in mind, guys, you guys all like for the Guardians, like if your name is green in Discord, yeah, you guys have all of these, all access to all those channels because you guys could cook. So whether that's HT Signal, Trade Ideas, all of those channels, right? So whenever you feel like you want to take advantage of it, take advantage. And I really appreciate it. ASTS, Alan, did you get into ASTS? Did you get in? Yeah, let me pull up that SPAC, Pablo. MACA. Interesting. Yeah, it's currently halted. So let's see what happens when it gets on halted here. MA. Yeah. See if volume kicks in when it opens, Pablo. See if the volume kicks in. Did Bitcoin push for kind of. Huya. Can I get a Huya? Up 20% today? 20%. Uh, let's go, TK. Yeah, I know you're cooking. I know you're cooking. So congratulations. I like it. I mean, honestly, anything that's making you monies, just keep doing it. Right? Anything. Right? Whether that's options, stonks. You Alan? Okay, sounds good. So did it end up bouncing and closing above the level we talked about yesterday though? Let's go. I know you've been busy, Gail. We will be here when you get back. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on. Come on, come on. Again, so like I said, we say this every single day. As long as the stock doesn't go below the 200 and stay below the 200, it always has a chance. So CXAI obviously is still on watch, right? Especially since it came back down and bounced up that 200 EMA. Yep, looking fine. So the only problem now is it's going to need like a nice green candle though. Like volume just needs to randomly come from somewhere and then pop. is what it needs to do, right? Because yeah, there's a whole bunch of resistance here now, a whole bunch of resistance. So that thing needs to get like some random volume from somewhere and then just squeeze it. The other one is still cooking though. I haven't really been paying attention to that one a whole bunch, but ELWS has been doing really well. Early works, right? Had a nice pop. It sold off a little bit and then curled back up. Oof, nice, very very nice. Good curl. So congratulations if you're scalping this one, guys. Again, it's been spammed in Discord a whole bunch of times, right? So if you're paying attention to this thing, congratulations. Let's go. Love it, Ryan. Love you too. When I'm trading charts, whether it's BTC or stocks, I always don't go red, don't FOMO at the tops. Yes, Ryan. Yes, yes, please. Honestly, it's the simple stuff that will like lead you to success. You know, it's the simple stuff. So, double tops. Break that wall, Troy. Break that wall. And put it in Lumen. Yeah, it looks like CXAI is feeling a resistance again. So if you sold that thing at resistance, there's nothing wrong with that, right? Resistance, 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 resistance. So until that thing can get some random volume from somewhere, it's having a hard time. And this one is on halted Pablo and then just came back down, right? It kind of seems like it needed to break out, but it never really broke out. So maybe this is one of those, Pablo, to set an alert for like 1250, which is what I'm going to do right now. So set an alert for a breakout. Yes, something, something, something. And then this one needs GNLN needs to get back above 1050. Lumen looks like a double top, right, guys? So again, I mean, you can see that it broke above it, right? It broke above, but it's wicks. Like the wicks don't count, right? When you're looking for breakouts, it does not count. It does not count. It does not count. It does not count. How many times? It does not count. So unless you just feel like FOMOing and with a tight stop loss, then maybe that's okay. VEV is selling up to 20 cents again. CXAI is still slacking but holding the view app. And then this one is cooking, guys. Woof. Oh my days. If you got into this thing, type in yes in the chat. If you got into ELWS, guys, my goodness. That thing said, excuse me, guys, I'm just gonna go. Just gonna send it. Love it. Love it, Troy. Perfect plan. A perfect plan. Okay, let me see. Oh my goodness, that thing is about to break $4, guys, just like that. I'm sure $4 is gonna be resistance and then 420. But my goodness, that was quick. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 30, 30. There you go. Sheesh. 410. Went 420, guys. These stocks for some reason love 420. $4.20. ELWS. 290. Yeah, that's if it gets there though, right? That's the problem now. That's the problem. That's if it gets there. So 260. Oof. What that? There goes 420. Sheesh. What an absolute cooker of a stock. 426, 430. Oh my days, 177%, guys. Just like that. Just like that. After the breakout, let's go A. Congratulations. Beautiful breakout, right? $3.20 straight to $4.30. That's a pretty good breakout. That's a really good breakout. That's a beautiful breakout, right? Look at that resistance, right? Breakout close above, FOMO, educated FOMO, $1 higher. Sheesh. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. There goes 430 again. New highs of the day. 170 and 180%, 185%. Oh my goodness. I mean, now we're kind of getting the gold treatment. So I wonder if we're about to hit a bit of a wall there now at 450. That thing's like 450. Nope. Boom skis. Sheesh. Oof. That's a really good push. Yeah, this candle at 450 though will for sure be a problem. We might be able to get a dip skis from 450. That thing's like, you think so? You think so? Nah, I'm back to 450. Yup, that thing really cooked. 187%, guys. Right? You guys want to know when this was posted in Discord? The first alert in Discord? You guys want to know? You guys want to know? You guys want to see the first alert? And 450 is a problem, right? So not a big surprise on that one there. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Eight. So 1022. When's 1022? 1022 on this candle. Actually, on this candle that took off. Yeah, on that candle. So and then it dipped and then it broke out, right? So again, that thing was in Discord, though, right, guys? Do we miss anything, Pablo? Like, do we miss anything? Again, 450's resistance, guys, is just a psychological level. Do we miss anything? Just asking for a friend, you know? Do we miss anything? This was, again, all the way in the abyss. I mean, we could just call it the $2 range. We could say this thing was posted in the $2 range, right? In the $2 range, almost up 100% from the first post, guys. Your stop loss hit at $4.10. That's okay. You made money though, right, Doche? So 450 is resistance. So let's go. Look at that, Noir. Look at that. So again, I don't talk about all of these things in yeah, I don't talk about all of these things on stream, but they're all posted in Discord. So already. Really good push. Really good push. Okay, yeah, like at yeah. But as long as you made money though, right, Doja? As long as you made money, you're okay. As long as you made monies. It's kind of stalling a bit here though, so let's see what happens. Uh yeah, that stuff would annoy me. Um that would annoy me. Okay. I bet you Pablo's on Twitter. Anyways, um, mm, do, 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 do. Yep, $4.30. That was a good push, really good push. So congratulations if you got into that, guys, and made monies. Right? Again, honestly, sometimes when stuff is pumping like this, right, and and you see that it's stalling even for like a single candle, just take those gains and move on. Right, take those gains and move on. Clearly, you can see like it's stalling for quite a bit, right? When it's doing that, it's telling you that hey, we want to come back down and retest. We want to go back down and retest something. Right? It doesn't mean it's done. It just wants to go back down and retest something. So in this case, it's the beautiful blue line, beautiful 9 EMA, right? So the gold candle means it's going to go the opposite way, basically. Which in this case is a beautiful candle, right? So again, the gold candle is meant to represent exhaustion, right? So it's telling you that the move has been nice, but it's getting exhausted. It's going to go down a little bit, or however much it's going to go down. So again, this candle, beautiful, right? Because then as soon as you saw that, and then you saw the other candle stalling there, you're like, let me take some profits maybe, right? And if we stay above the 9, I'm still okay with some of my position. And then if we break out, happy days, right? But for now, resistance. So that's what it's meant to represent. So you will have a gold candle going up and a gold candle going down, and they just mean opposite things, right? So they mean opposite things, right? So for example, like look at this one here, right? So you have a gold candle going down, meaning okay, gold candle going down, it's time to go back up. Gold candle going up, it's time to go back down, right? And it's working really nicely, isn't it? Right? So really, really nicely there. Look at that. That's beautiful, actually, right? Gold candle with the green bottom, we go up. Gold candle with the red top, we go down. So beautiful. And this one's still kind of struggling at resistance, right? So again, just another tool in the toolbox. It looks like this thing is still creeping up again there, Pablo. Even though it has really low, like a really, like the spread is not nice and the volume is still slowly coming in. Still looking interesting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go, Laura. I've been here for 3 months trying to learn something new to make money. Slow retirement IRA wants us to amazing. La, 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 la. La, la, la. La, 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 la. Several investment groups from Facebook to WhatsApp and la, 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 la. Love it, Laura. I absolutely love that. La, 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 la. Let's go, Laura. Thank you very much. Perfect. Love it, Laura. Are you still on stream? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Bright orange. Yeah, no, honestly, with whatever whatever it is, orange, gold, as long as you just know that it's a different color candle, whatever it is. Uh, but yeah, yeah, yeah. This thing looks like it really wants to pop, though, doesn't it? Even though again, it's really stalling at resistance. Uh, do, 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 do. I'm happy, Troy. I'm happy. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 spy. Let's spy cook. Let's spy cook. So what do we add now? We want to close at 2% or like above 540. If we can close above 540 and we don't crash, happy days. That's what I want. Can you do that, please, Troy? Above 540. Close above 540. CXAI doesn't look like it's giving up though, does it? Like that's another bounce of the 200 EMA. It's going to be on the watch list all day today, unless we break below that, then it's not. So and 450 resistance and backing off. Let it cook, TK. Let it cook. Na, 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 na. Let's go. Uh, just a little bit though, Noah. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, my concern with that is, yeah, you know what my concern is. So, but hopefully, it can bounce above the 9 and then push back up though, because it looks like it kind of is trying to. So you're fine for now until the candle closes below the 9, and then you're not fine. Alrighty, so looks like it's fighting. CXAI is back to 275 again, guys. So like clearly this one's fighting too, and it's failing 5 cents higher, right? Someone says buy Rob, let's go, send it, send it, send it. If you Rob, if the S&P crashes now that Rob is here, guys remember what happened? I'm not gonna talk to Rob all day today. If that happens, I'm gonna delete Rob's number from my phone. uh, Unbelievable. Nah, 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 nah. Uh, there we go. 278. The other one's cooking again, guys. That thing just that thing. Wait. What? Did you guys see that? Hopefully you found a way to sell this thing on the way up like that because it went to 470. Hopefully you found a way to sell it because that was a scam. That's I saw the thing. I saw it pumping on the other screen. So then I came to this screen to show you guys. By the time I got here, it was done. Yep, it's a fake out. Yep, exactly. So I mean, the candle never closed above resistance, right? So it's again, yeah, scam, right? So hopefully you could sell quick though. Hopefully you could sell that thing really quick if you were in it. Scam alert! Scam alert! Love it. Spies looking sus in the 15-second. Rubbish. Rubbish. Maybe a retest of the breakout and then go from there. You did? Okay, good job. Let's see. What time is it? Right. When is this damn thing gonna give us a pop, guys? My goodness. But now it just looks like we're just playing in a range, which obviously we are, but sheesh. Can someone can we cook please? Do, 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 do. Uh, do, do, do. Let's go. Love it. 280. Yeah, no, I mean, but it's yeah, that's been the resistance like for a long time now. Just wait till Spy wakes up. Just wait till Spy wakes up from that nap. GNLN again, still on watch. Still on watch. And still below 1050 though. So we shall see if that thing can eventually break out. ELWS is going back up again, guys. So it looks like it's holding $4. It's holding the 20 EMA and it's going back up again. So clearly this thing doesn't want to give up. Right? Clearly doesn't want to give up. Uh, there we go. So yeah, anything below below 450 resistance, so 445, 440, 450 resistance on this one here. CXAI, even though we like this thing, it still isn't breaking out yet. So I still kind of like it, but no breakouts yet. And then ELWS is trying. Trying to break out. There we go. CXAI tapped 280 again there for you, Noir. Right, so there goes another tap of resistance. And then ELWS is still failing at that resistance as well, below 450. Looks like it's going to break it though. Maybe this candle was a sign of where it wants to go to, you know? Let's go. 250, there goes another push above 450. There goes 460. There it goes. Let's go. Congratulations, Doche. Well done. Well done. What? Ooh, wee. That thing said, let me cook. That thing said, let me cook, let me cook, let me cook. Woof. My goodness. Woof. 216%, guys. The fact that we had a name that went up 700% yesterday, it was going to be a good week. It was going to be a good week. When you have on a Monday a stock that's up 700%, you bet there's going to be a whole bunch of other stocks that go up 100, 100, 200, 200, 200. There goes $5 incoming here now. So looking at that supply zone without zooming out, it looks like we have resistance at just about $5, right? So, and there goes $5. That thing said just above $5. Well, let me go test it out for you. Let me go test it above $5. So $5.10, it looks like that's the level. Sheesh. My goodness. Talk about a boomski. That thing looks like it's not going to stop there though, is it? Again, resistance around 510. Oh, and there it goes. That thing said, what resistance? It's kind of stalling there though. 300%? Yeah, for now. For what? 220 for now. And we're failing at $5.10. Let's go. I know who formatted into this thing. Ryan. No names. No names. Okay. Yeah, so clearly we're failing at resistance there. Well done, AFC. Good job, Archer. Yeah, if you jump in last, you have to take those profits really quickly and leave, right? Nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Are you green for the day though, Doje? I think you are, right? And if you are, if you are, there's nothing wrong with that. Invo with a nice little pop there. Invo, Invo. It actually has been pushing there. Now the volume just hasn't been amazing. It kind of seems like a slow stock too, though. Lumen, look at that, guys. Lumen double topped and then went to the abyss. When you see a double top, sometimes you want to take profits because there's no telling how low this thing can go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that nastiness. Again, when you see the warning sign, take the warning sign and leave. Okay, back to ELWS 504. Okay. Yep. That thing said, okay, get him out, please, and then let's keep going. Get him out. Get him out, please. Yeah. I mean, that was a tight stop loss, though. That was very tight. Two. And you're setting that stop loss because you want to be green, and there's nothing wrong with that, right? There's nothing wrong with that because look at this now. We're back to 470 and back to 480. So yeah, like there's nothing wrong with that. Mini gains are better than red days. Learning to be a robot and following the cycle, taking gains. Let's go, Lan. Let's go. Let's go. Love it. I love it. Lan has multiple accounts, guys. Lan is a GOATS member, by the way, and love it, Lan. Lan has been trading for not very long, right? So, again, if you're not a GOATS member yet, I don't know what to tell you. Come join us. Alrighty, come become a GOATS, cause missing out, missing out. Yeah, that thing needs to clear 280 if it wants to go. And then clearly there's resistance up there for this one. Even though we pushed above 510, it really never closed above 510, right? ELWS. So we clearly never closed above resistance, and then it came back down to retest the 9 at 470. So 470 is your next support. And the Invo is backing off from $1.20. $1.20 will always be resistance. The more you watch these stocks, you don't have to know that there's resistance. You just know there's resistance. Anytime a stock gets to $1.20, you know there's resistance. Just like 420, right? Just like $10, just like $1, right? You know these levels are like, right? Yeah. La, 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 la. Let's go. Yeah. Exactly, Ryan. Exactly. Make those monies, guys. Ooh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Come on, CXAI. Give this thing cook already. Sheesh. What the hell is this? Rubbish. So let's see if we can finally close above though, right? Because clearly there's a lot of resistance up here. So it's not like we're out of the woods yet. But yeah, we again, we're not, like I said, we will never throw a stock in the garbage. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, Lan is a member. Lan is a gold member, Rob. Ooh. Let us goats, guys. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Be careful at $3 though. $3 is ooh wee. Ooh. Let's go. Come on, guys. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Right? This has been our favorite stock today for a reason. This has been our favorite stock today. Just a different YouTube chef. Yeah, yeah, no, yeah, no. They have multiple accounts. Ooh wee. Again, I'm just gonna brag because because again, this was our signal this morning, and we never went back to this price, We just kept playing with other levels on it. Again, that was your signal this morning, guys. Right? Again, if you're not a Legend or Goats member, you're missing out. Right? Take a look at the signal channel in Discord. Right? That was a beautiful signal, beautiful, perfect signal. And as much as it's been frustrating, it stayed above the 200. So we never discount these names as long as they stay above the 200, right? So ooh wee, ooh wee. Let's see how long we can save up $2 for, and then just keep cooking after that, right? ELWS failed that resistance, guys, and we're backing up. So take those gains and move on, right? Lock in those monies, please. Other than that, we're back to CXAI because nothing else is really cooking. Nothing else cooking. Nothing else cooking. Where's Troy and his rubbish spy crash predictions? Unbelievable. Unbelievable, Troy. Let's get back to the heist. Are we stalled? Are we halted, guys? It's behaving like we're halted, isn't it? Hopefully the fact that we exploded this quickly doesn't mean we're gonna go back down. you know? But I do like the way that it's holding though. We might go back down and retest that breakout zone, which is fine. I'd like for it to stay above the 9 EMA. Yeah, no, 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 no. Yeah, no, I'm kidding. By the way, usually when it's halted, it tells me. But yeah, it's just when it's that slow, you're there. We go 305. There we go. There we go. Again, that was a beautiful retest, guys. Look at this, right? We've been to the 200 twice now, right? Off the 200 EMA, once, pop, resistance. Off the 200 EMA again, and pop, right? The difference this time is we broke above 280, right? Like I said earlier, we need to break above 280. We need to break above 280. Meh, 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 right? What happened when we break 280? Straight to the moon. Well, I mean, not the moon, but then drop to 36, and then back up as long as we end up closing, above 540, I'm okay with it. As long as we end up closing, I mean, honestly, closing green is good. Um, yeah, yeah. So make those monies, please. Make those monies, please. Uh, Interesting. Okay. Um, let's go. I'm loving the gains, guys. I'm loving the gains. Uh, Sing penny stock. Why is it down 76% today? Any news? I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea. Anyone in CMG? You got in today? Yup, yup, yup. Mm. I, mm. There you go. Ayo, Jose. Ayo, ayo. Ayo, ayo. Yeah, it looks like we came back down just to retest the 9 EMA for now. Right. If we can push and break above the, so my only concern now is you're taking spy puts. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, see if you can get a dip below 540, right, and then go back down a little bit. A retest. Um, Only concern is how aggressive this pop was. Again, I think that pop was aggressive. Again, like earlier we said, this is exactly what we wanted, right, guys? We were like, hey, we just need a fat green candle to break above all this resistance, which is exactly what we wanted. But it's also concerning when you have candles like that, because sometimes they're retraced. So if we can go back up and break above 310, then the rest is history. The rest is Lambo monies. So we need to find a way to stay above 280, 290, or just stay above the 9 and then push back above 310. After that, we might as well just call, Santa and say, hey, Santa, can we buy the non-pole? Have not been far too late in the. Oh wow, really? Yeah, yeah. ELWS is kind of struggling, isn't it? Yep, kind of struggling there. Kind of struggling there. Lumen is really struggling. And then GNLN is still fighting for that 1050. So it's going to need to give us that breakout if it wants to go. Let's go, Riot. Let's go. Let's go. There we go, CXAI. If you're still holding CXAI, guys, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding this, type in yes in the chat. There we go, 310. Come on. Come on, come on. There we go. There we go, guys. Just close about 310. Let's go, guys. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. What, Amanda, how come you're not a member? How come? YouTube free grammar. How come you're not a member? Yeah, so 310 resistance there, guys. We need to break and close about that level. Yeah. There we go. Uh, made a no, no, no. Okay, there you go. Yeah, keep those losses small though, right? Doge, please, 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 please. Yeah, please. So we're not really closing about 310 yet. So clearly that's still resistance. Uh, yeah. SPY is about to fill gap. Oh, in long positions? Like you mean like calls? Yeah. No, my long positions are no my long positions are just whether we go up, we go down. It there's nothing I'm gonna do. So no profit taking for me. Just straight diamond hands, Rob. Best way to enter a trade if it closes above with a limit stop with a limit. I mean, so you're just gonna need like a market stop loss. You're just gonna need like a market stop, right? Not a limit. Yeah, no people in options. Yeah, Rob. Yeah, let's go, Victor. You might be a bit delayed, Victor. You might be a bit delayed. Let's go. Kimbella just posted a nice message in Discord. Goal for the day doubled her daily goal, guys. I mean, like, do we cook or do we not cook? Do we cook or do we not cook, guys? La, na, 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 na. Rebounded, hence goal double. Okay, sounds good. Do we cook or do we not cook? We're back to $3. I like what CXAI is doing. This is giving me vibes, giving me vibes, hopefully. Make sure you put a stop loss, guys. Make sure you have a stop loss. Make sure you put a stop loss. This is giving us like GNLN vibes, Give us 300%. Are we asking for too much, guys? It's not, right? Just like 350% maybe? Like half of the gains from yesterday, right? Just half. Anyways, as long as we stay above the 20 and the kernel though, right? So if we go back below 280, then we're probably done with it. So make sure you put a stop loss. Make sure you put a stop loss. Make sure you put a stop loss. Yep, yep, yep. That's gonna be one of my new favorite gifts now. The dude cooking monies. It's gonna be one of my new favorite ones. So again, resistance at $3.10, guys. Until we can break above and close above that level, not going anywhere, right? And then we also kind of need to stay above the 20. So make sure you put a stop loss at a level that you'd be happy with. Don't just damn in hand. Your expectations, my expectations, don't mean anything in the market. So make sure you have your own plan. Uh, uh, okay. No, 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 no. Perfect. Let's go. Lots of resistance on this thing. It's been so slow, hasn't it? So slow. Like it's slow, and then it gives us like one fat green candle, and that's it. Who runs the market? Can I speak to the manager, please? Can I speak to the manager, please and thank you? Who's the manager? Rubbish. Uh, oh, I see. Pyro, I don't like slow. I like cooking, from 100% to 200% immediately. And then don't stop there. Unbelievable. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. Unbelievable. And I like that it's holding above above the bottom section there. But at the same time, can we just get to pumping again? Victor, well done. I like it. Yeah, make sure you have a stop loss, guys. Make sure you have a stop loss. We can sit here and hope that something can cook, but it doesn't always cook. Ooh. Yeah, we stopped paying attention to this one and it said, ooh, okay, bye bye. So that's GNLN, guys. GNLN. GNLN. Doo-doo-doo. 1060. Interesting. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. uh, this is the manager speaking. Get out of my store. Exactly, Doche. Exactly. Exactly. What time is it? This thing has 10 minutes to cook. 10 minutes to cook. Otherwise, we have a problem. Uh, starting now. 10 minutes. Countdown. Uh, and a little bit more, Pyro. No, that's okay. As long as you're consistently making those monies, right? Slow and steady. At the end of the year, end of the month, you're smiling. Ooh, the manager said yes. Yes, guys. The manager said yes. Come on, who is the manager? Tell them they're fired. We're about to take over the building now. Uh, come on. That's two. That's two of your 10 minutes gone. You have, anyways. Oh, funny. Come on, give us 5 more cents and break above. There we go. 3 more cents. Break 310. There we go. The manager is scared of getting fired, guys. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. 2 more cents. Give us the breakouts. Give us the breakouts. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Again, 310 is resistance, guys. So make sure you're aware of that. Alrighty? Make sure you're aware of that. Do, 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 do. I mean, I say 3 cents, but it could be 2 cents lower too. So not. There we go. There's 310, guys. The manager is scared for his life because the hot trades crew is coming. Anyways, now we're sitting at resistance here. We break out already? 310. Going once, going twice, and sold. 314. That last high was 317, guys. So tell the manager we run these streets. We run these streets. Tell them to go find a new job. We don't like slow. We want boom skis. There we go. There we go. 315, 317, 319. New highs of the day. Tell them we run these streets. Tell them we run these streets. Boom skis, guys. There we go. Now the manager is fired. We're going to hire a new manager. Rubbish. So 320 resistance there next. Exactly, Noah. Hide your wives, hide your husbands, hide your kids. Because we're not done yet. Make sure you move your stop loss up though, right, guys? Take profits on the way up, move your stop loss up, right? As excited as we can get, that should not change that should not change the way you trade. Right? Just because I'm excited doesn't mean you should be excited. You know? Make sure you move your stop loss up. Alrighty? Alrighty. Put a stop loss. Whatever you need to do that. Cool? Cool. Do we want it to keep going? Of course. But this is the market after all, though, right? So we have to manage the position. So it's looking good. Happy days. Happy days. 317 again. Can we break above 320? Let us cook, please. Let us cook. Just needs the cookie aisle. Exactly, Exactly. Yeah, we're kind of stalling below 320 there next. 320 is not a breakout, by the way, Doche, right? 320 is not a breakout. 320 is a break of a psychological level. It's not a breakout. So you have to make sure you keep that in mind too when you play with levels. Alrighty. Yeah. See if we can stay above 310 now. What? Oh, just stay above the 9. There we go. Nice little bounce up 310. Who's that? What's that, Troy? Just give us the boom skis, guys. Give us the boom skis. Give us the boom skis. Pyro, can you make some boom skis? There we go. 320, guys. Ooh. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. There we go. Ooh wee. There goes 320, guys. Let's go, Pyro. Make it go boom skis, please. Oh, noisy insect. Oh, I see. I like it a lot, Victor. I like that a lot. And if it hits at some point, you're going to be very happy. You're going to be very, very happy. Very, very happy. Very, very happy. Let's go. I wonder if we've hit the. I wonder if that's it though, because we really wanted 320. I wonder if that's it. I wonder if we're done now with it. I wonder. Can I still get in into Alex? Come join us in Discord. CXAI was posted entry all the way at the bottom. Come join us in Discord. Stop slacking, guys. Invest in yourself. Do better, everybody. Do better. Just do better. Simply just do better. If you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Is it still good to buy? This is not something I'd be buying on at the highs of the day, but so mm, 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 mm. uh, yeah. When you send me a message, guys, confession. Let me make a confession, okay? Let me be honest. When you send me a message in Discord, like this is not gonna sound nice. When you send me a message in Discord, okay, like break it up into like little pieces, because sometimes someone will send me a DM in Discord and it's this long, and then I'm like, I've already been discouraged, especially if I'm doing other stuff. I promise I won't look at that message again till like the end of the day. Um, but yeah, uh, bef- the levels. I took my gains and let exactly, Kimbella, exactly, absolutely. Psychology is important, you know, very, very important, very, very important. There goes another bounce of the 9. No, maybe, maybe. No, no. A SPY just hit new highs of the day. Let SPY cook, please. You slackers, we're still here, Josh. We're still here. We've been cooking today, just cooking all day long, cooking from the bottom to the top, just straight cooking. I should put a where? Yeah, put a testimonial. There's really good testimonial today from Laura. Love it, amazing. Love that. So yeah, we need to use the testimonial channel more. So if yeah, use the testimonial channel, guys, when you have something nice to say about the community. Do, 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 do. Ayo, Josh, ayo. So we're back to 320. Still looking good. I still like what it's doing. Like I said earlier today, this is my favorite name today, right? This is my favorite name today. CXAI, right? From the bottom to the top, right? From $2.40 on the signal to $3.20. Obviously, we want more out of it, but well, even if we do hop off, we're going to keep watching this stock, right? Oh my goodness, Josh. Josh showed up and said, did somebody say memberships? Did somebody say boom skis? Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Thank you very much, Josh. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. There goes 325, guys. 325. There goes 328. Is this our favorite stock or is this our favorite stock, guys? Let's go, Victor. Love it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Do, do, do. Love it. Do, 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 do. There goes 328. 328. Do, 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 do. There we go. Let's go, Josh. 317. Love it. Well done, Victor. I like it. No, easy ban, easy ban. Easy ban virus. Easy. Immediately. First post ban. Ooh, GOVX is going for the highs of the day. Maybe that monkeypox stuff is finally picking up, isn't it? GOVX. So keep this one unwatched, guys, right? So Pablo's tracking this, right? So again, monkeypox outbreak in the entire continent of Africa, right? So again, so these are some of the names to be looking at, right? So there's a watch list in Trade Ideas in Discord if you need to go back, right, and take a look. Let's go, Victor. Stopped out. Thank you. Well done, Victor. Give me a high five. Love it. There goes CXAI. You aggressively moved that stop loss up, didn't you? You moved it up aggressively. Well done, guys. Again, if you made money on CXAI today, type in yes in the chat. If you made money in CXAI today, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes, right? Because I think everybody cooked on this play today. Whether you took the signal or you came in after, right? Cooked. So congratulations. Well done. Let's go. I would have, but woke up late, West. Dang it, yeah. Again, like this entire week, you have to wake up early, right? This entire week, the last month, you have to wake up early. Let's go, guys. Yeah, like everybody won on this play today. So this was one of those signals today actually in Discord that were like it was quite easy. because you actually spent some time there, so your signal was easy to fill, and then it took off immediately. It took off immediately. So and then it gave us multiple opportunities, right? Like bouncing off the 200. So, yup. So again, resistance it seems at $3 and above 330. So, doo-doo-doo. Perfect. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. Again, your membership is paying for itself, guys. Right? That's that's all I could ask for, right? If we can sit here all day and do educational classes and teach a little bit and give you ideas and have your membership pay for itself, and then I think like then we're on the right track, right? So then we're on the right track. Then you can really take your time and learn, right? So the ideas will be there. Just take your time and learn. Don't go forward into the rubbish stuff. Just be patient a little bit, right? So because you have everything you need. Everything you need. No. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, so Cajun 330-ish, slightly above, but either way. Okay. Curling? Okay. Why did it crash to $1 the other day? I have no clue. Not a clue. Not a clue. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. You're almost done. You're almost done, Josh. Almost done, and then it's time for extra monies. Uh, hmm. Yeah, we're gonna hop off in 2 minutes or so, guys. Yeah, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Thursday? Okay, Thursday. 2 more minutes, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discords. And so I can, as soon as I say 2 more minutes, it starts going back down. Maybe it's a sign because we were keeping this thing up. Really good trade though. I don't think it's. I don't want to say I don't think it's done yet, but this to me looks like a retest. So let's see if we can find support above, right? That last breakout zone, right at the 20 EMA in this demand zone, and then go from there. Alrighty. So we're gonna keep watching this until it doesn't look good. This thing will be done when it breaks below. I don't want to say the 200 because there's no way in hell anybody should be holding this thing till it gets to the 200. I will find you. I will slap you, and then we can go from there. Alrighty. Cool. 328 Raven. Okay, good. I was wondering. Yeah, yeah. So yeah. So again, we're gonna hop off in a minute or so, guys, and then go back to Discord and go continue in Discord, right? So, stock general, so I can do some one-on-ones. But again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Alrighty, y'all. If you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. You're missing out. Hit the like if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yeah. And yeah, keep making monies. Be safe. Don't do crazy things, please. Otherwise, you're gonna end up at the bridge. Let me see. Any last questions, though, guys? Let me know. Any last questions? And then I will hop off and go do some other works. Any last questions? Let me know. Let's go. Alrighty, y'all. Again, obviously, we're going to keep watching these things. We just have some other things to do. So catch you guys in Discords. Thank you all very much to those of you guys that smashed a like. I really appreciate that. It really helps more than you know. So thank you. And yeah, have a wonderful afternoon. We might be back for Power Hour stream on YouTube actually, right? If it's not slow, if it's slow, then maybe we're just gonna do like a Discord class or something like that, or just just relax in Discords, right? Um, much love all. Exactly, Doche. Exactly. Bye for now, guys, and see you guys in Discord. Much love all. Josh, enjoy. Back soon. Good. Bye, guys. Virus and Thrust.